We're about to find out if the audio on the Pheanoo P27 soundbar and subwoofer is just as big as my 75-inch TV. Stay tuned. What's up guys? I'm DJ Avionics. Welcome back to my channel. We've got another unboxing, setup, installation, and review video for you guys. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel so you can see more content like this. So in this video, I have the new Pheanoo, I want to say that's how you pronounce it, Pheanoo P27 2.1 channel soundbar and subwoofer. Now this came from Amazon. I ordered this on Amazon for a little over $100, so it's not bad of a price whatsoever price-wise, but we're gonna find out if the audio is any good. So let's go ahead and unbox what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my coffee table over so we can unbox it all. So here it is in all its boxed glory. So our first box is probably some cables and whatnot. All right, so we've got an envelope here. Looks like we just have some a registration card. Register at Pheanoo VIP at the Pheanoo website. So I'll definitely go to that website and check it out. There's a little thank you card. And then here we have the accessories box. Okay, so yeah, we'll find out what these little styrofoam paddings are for here in a little bit. We have black gloves. Huh? Okay. We have our optical cable. We have our HDMI cable. We won't need this. I already have my HDMI cables set up with my TV already. We have some RCA cables, which is 1/8 inch on one end TRS, and on the other end is a red and white RCA. We got some mounting hardware, 2 anchors and 2 long screws. So this is a mounting template. If you are looking to mount it to your wall, it'll help you guide everything. I kind of already have something already set up because I have a soundbar already here, but I went ahead and removed it for this video. So we won't need the mounting template. In the same box is the remote control. So let's take a closer look at the remote control real quick. So it looks pretty basic, but everything that you need, it's got volume, skip back, skip forward, play, pause, pair, input. Looks like it's got music, news, and movie buttons. And then, oh look, you have your quick access to treble and bass settings. And looks like we have a 3D button for 3D sound probably. And then back in this little box, we have our setup guide. This is the P27 model. Got the setup guide and user manual. In the next box, or the next piece, we're gonna go ahead and pull out the woofer here. Make sure the soundbar, you know what? Let's take the soundbar out first. So here we have the soundbar itself. This thing is wrapped like a mummy almost. So let's take a closer look at this, guys. So here is the soundbar. It's got the P logo for Pheanoo. It's got a nice mesh covering, grill over it. The rest of the construction is plastic. All right, so a closer look at this end of the soundbar. We have Pheanoo and we have the power button, and it looks like a volume up and down button and a USB port. SW out on the back. We've got an aux. Let's see if we can get that in the picture. Aux input, optical, HDMI TV ARC. I'm gonna go ahead and place the soundbar on this IKEA simple little entertainment table here. I think that's pretty much all that's in the box. I really like the design of this subwoofer because it stands up, but it's also kind of slim. And I want to say this measures about 5 inches, maybe a little bit less than 5 inches. This is actually going downstairs in my family room downstairs, but that room pretty much belongs to my 2-year-old. It's a mess. But for all intents and purposes, we're just going to place the subwoofer right down on the floor next to this IKEA entertainment stand. We're up in the loft right now in my house, so this is where I watch my football games, sports games, where me and the wife watch our movies. Once again, I'm going to try and set this up without having to use the manual. We're going to see how easy it is to install. So I'm going to plug the subwoofer connector into the back of the soundbar where it says SW out. All right, so with the help of my multi-outlet power strip here, because I don't have enough outlets available, I'm going to plug the soundbar in. We do have an LED light that's turned on. All right, so next I'm going to plug the HDMI cable that's coming from the TV into the back of the soundbar. All right, everything's all plugged in. Now, the remote does not come with it, but 2 AAA batteries are required for the remote. I've already put them in. So we're gonna go ahead and play a snippet of a movie. Not very long because you know how YouTube is. Oh, okay, so when you hit volume up or down on the Pheanoo P27 soundbar, it's actually changing the volume on the TV. I think that has to do with the HDMI ARC cable and system that both TVs have. They're both HDMI ARC compatible. So on the P27 it says 1, on the TV it says 3. So it looks like it goes in increments of 3 according to the TV and the P27 corresponding. So every one you go up on the P27, it's actually going 3 up on the TV. So right now, 3 on the soundbar, 9 on the TV. And granted that you guys can't hear the quality that I'm hearing over a YouTube video, but I will give you my honest opinion of how it sounds in the room. So give me a second here. Okay, so I have the volume on the Pheanoo P27 up to 30, and I have the treble and bass at 0. You can really feel the bass. This is a 2.1 soundbar, so you're getting your left, your right, and then your subwoofer. Now, as a 2.1 soundbar, this is pretty good. The bass is all adjustable through here, through the remote, and like I said, I left it at 0, and it was pretty strong. Hearing the bass and the gunshots and whatever of the movie that I'm playing. Bonus points if you know what movie this is. I watched for about a minute and a half, and it sounds pretty good. So yeah, so for $110 through Amazon Prime, you are getting a pretty good sound quality soundbar subwoofer system with the Pheanoo P27. It's got the bass that you need from this little low profile subwoofer to this low profile soundbar with a nice LED readout of your volume display, and it does have great sound. And you can adjust, like I said, you can adjust your treble and your bass straight from the front of the remote itself. You don't have to go into settings. It's right there, treble plus, treble minus, bass up and bass down, and it actually controls on the TV as well through the HDMI ARC. So yeah, so if you're looking for an inexpensive soundbar, the Pheanoo P27 is a good, inexpensive way to watch your cinematic movies, even your sports games. And it's, like I said, $110. I have an Amazon affiliate link down below in the video description if you're looking to buy. So I appreciate if you visit that link. As always, please hit that like button if you enjoyed watching this video. Leave any comments or questions down below and I'll get back to them ASAP. And please consider subscribing to my channel so you can see more content like this. All right guys, I'm DJ Avionics. I'm gonna continue watching this movie.